Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to calibrate an Ecobee thermostat if the temperature reading feels inaccurate or doesn't match the actual room temperature. Now, first of all, before changing any of the settings, you need to make sure that the Ecobee thermostat is not affected by direct sunlight, air vents, drafts, TVs or electronics or warm walls. The bad placement can cause the inaccurate temperature readings even if the thermostat itself works perfectly. Now you need to place the reliable room thermometer near the Ecobee for about 15 to 20 minutes, and if the Ecobee consistently reads higher or lower by several degrees, you can correct it using the built-in temperature correction features. So you will find this particular feature by going to the menu, then look for the option of settings. Inside the settings, look for the option of installation settings, then look for the option of thresholds. Then inside thresholds, you will find the temperature correction setting. So here you can adjust the reading slightly higher or lower to match the actual room temperature more accurately. After adjusting the correction value, you need to give Ecobee some time to stabilize. The thermostat may briefly show you calibrating while it updates the internal temperature sensor, and this can happen after the power interruptions, firmware updates or setting changes. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.